And by the way, this surah was about a person who wasn't tranquil. He was only happy when he had wealth, and as soon as it went away, he was disturbed. And he said, my Lord has humiliated me. But the real slave of Allah, this person, he didn't let his nafs get taken away by empty desires. So Allah mentions in another place, فَأَمَّا مَنْ خَافَ مَقَامَ رَبِّهِ وَنَهَى النَّفْسَ عَنِ الْهَوَى. The one who feared standing before his Lord, and he prevented the nafs from vanities, from empty desires, right? So this person Allah is addressing him now, subhanahu wa ta'ala. Addressing them with these beautiful words, tranquil nafs, O calm, satisfied nafs. This in and of itself illustrates one of the greatest gifts of paradise is itmi'nan. It's this calmness, it's this relaxation. Because this is not something we can ever have in this dunya. If you are ever relaxed in this dunya, it's probably 10 seconds. Or like 5 minutes, where you say, oh, and then something comes in your mind. Oh, I haven't done this, I haven't done that, I have to do this, I have to do that. Oh my God, I forgot about that. Something keeps coming up. And no matter what you have in this dunya, there's always something you don't have. Right? Always. There's something more. There's something more. Nobody's satisfied. Allah says about this person, he's finally satisfied. Like there's no urge to get any more. There's no urge. There's no, I wish I had that. It's already there. وَلَكُمْ فِيهَا مَا تَشْتَهِي أَنفُسُكُمْ. We find something really beautiful commented upon by Muhammad Mutawalli al-Sha'rawi rahimahullah. Really beautiful. He says those 4 oaths are also particularly special for the tranquil self. The person who reaches this tranquility is a real servant of Allah, slave of Allah. And what are the most blessed acts of slavery to Allah? Number 1, it's the Fajr prayer. Right? Abandoning your sleep. Then the slave of Allah takes most advantage of what times? The last 10 of Ramadan, the first 10 of Dhul Hijjah, right? وَلَيَالٍ عَشْرٍ. Then وَالشَّفْعِ وَالْوَتْرِ, which were the odd and the even nights of those times as was interpreted. Some even interpreted it as the odd prayers and the even prayers. The even and the odd rather, right? And then وَاللَّيْلِ إِذَا يَسْرِ, the night as it's about to disappear. When the night is about to disappear is the time to wrap up your Qiyam al-Layl, right? Which is again the act of closeness to Allah Azza wa Jal, and also the time to finish your suhoor so you can what? Fast. So the acts of closest worship to Allah Azza wa Jal are those times that are illustrated, or those what's alluded to in the opening oaths. And the one who was committed to those oaths, how is Allah addressing that person at the end? Ya ayyatuha nafs al-mutma'inna. Now what has satisfied this nafs? What has satisfied this nafs? Everybody else was running after stuff. What is the first and most important gift Allah gives this nafs? Irji'i ila rabbiki. Return to your master. Return to your master. That's the thing that was dissatisfying this nafs. That nothing else satisfied this person in their heart. Ala bi dhikrillahi tatma'innal qulub. Just remembering Allah satisfied them, and now Allah gives them satisfaction beyond even remembering Allah. Return to Allah.